Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to compare UProfit and Topstep. UProfit and Topstep are both prop trading firms that allow traders to prove their skills in simulated environments to qualify for funded accounts. UProfit is known for its straightforward rules and faster scaling. It offers one-step evaluation with no consistency rules, meaning traders can pass the challenge quickly if they hit the profit target. It also provides 80% profit splits and daily loss limits that reset every day, which many traders find forgiving. Payouts are fast, and funding starts as early as the first week after passing the challenge. Topstep, on the other hand, has been around longer and is known for strict yet structured evaluation phases. It uses a two-step challenge, which can take longer to pass, and includes consistency rules and weekly loss limits. However, it provides strong trader education, coaching, and a well-established reputation in the industry. Payouts are also reliable but take more time to unlock due to longer evaluation periods. In short, UProfit is better for traders who want a quick path to funding with flexible rules, while Topstep is ideal for those who prefer a more traditional, rule-based evaluation with educational support. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.